All right, good day, lovely audience, AI automators, and we are now going to talk through, as a little blog video, the automations that I'm looking to set up right now, since we have created the lead magnet, which has given a tremendously nice response, a lot of attention on that, and that is a great sign that people like it, because whether I like it doesn't actually matter. It's how people receive it. Isn't that true? So we're going to put more success stories in here. And we're going to silence our shiny object syndrome and speak our distractions out aloud, letting them go, voicing our input instead of acting on them. This is what we're going to do here with our shiny object syndrome and how we can defeat that. This is truly great in Lovable. I love it so much. All right, cool. So now we're considering basically which of these agents we're going to build. This is the beautiful Oasis agent by my good acquaintance Max. And the advantage of that is that it works with Unipile. So we do not need to have the WhatsApp business setup, which obviously is a great relief for us. Now, what can this do and how is this going to help us? What is the outcome of all of this now that we've drank in all of this information, which has been very, very good and very, very stimulating and very nice to take a look at? We now have, Ben's lead agent that he just shared, which is going to be implemented soon enough after that. And then also the relevance AI agents for the content system. Do we do that? Yes, we're going to build that as well. Why wouldn't we? Right? We're going to do this tomorrow. So the good thing with that is we have the Leonardo webhook and the Suno API webhook for the automation that I've already set up, which is tremendous. Download the second song, rename the second song, wait 4 seconds. This is great. Unipile, send the confirmation message. This is all very, very good. Very, very, very good. And so what this can do is basically remind people via WhatsApp. I think we just gotta have to build all of them and get busy and then see what kind of works, right? So this is then the other agent where we have the Notion integration. I think we just gotta throw that at the wall and see whether we can stick or not with it. We have Postgres memory, Notion search to do function, which is great for that. I think we just have to get all of them to work. I don't think it makes sense to exclude any one of those. And so that is that. And so we have the agent team here. All right, so let's import all of that into Notion as well. Mr. Nate, I find you great. All right, here. When the fatigue kicks in, just before we're about to go sparring, we talk things that may not make sense. All right, well, so we're speaking things out as we go, opening a new window so that we can see visualized all of them all together. And so we're going to create a new one, a new workflow. So glad we got this set up. This is like the necessary infrastructure. All right, Nate Herc. Agent team, very nice indeed, right? Import, and then we can go next week early 3 a.m. to go back to actually, man, this is also so good that we can save that. Make.com, that was not possible. Contact agent, Telegram trigger, so we just switched that out for the Unipile trigger. I think that's what we may want to do instead of Max's. I mean, So that's gonna get deleted. I mean, that will be the simplest one. But obviously we're going to start with the hardest first. Why would you do that? That is a good point. Why don't we just start with this one here? Initiate outbound call based on a query. Outbound call. We can just do that in a WhatsApp as well. Now we just got to start building here. We're overthinking that, I guess. So we have the Notion agent. All right. So let's do what we do best. Go 1, 2, 3. This is meditative. I like it. Yeah, I really should be documenting all of that, right? Why wouldn't you? So that's the ultimate. So we gotta download the email agent. We're gonna download the calendar agent. And then content creator. Probably want to disable that, not so necessary. And the contact agent. Since that did very well, may as well do that, right? But we saved it already. That's great. Import from file. Contact agent. Network contact agent. When executed by another workflow, get contact, add or update the contact. Okay, so that's for the CRM. That makes sense. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. That's easy. Relief, right? All right, why not? So we import that content creator agent. Network content creator agent. Aha! Spontaneously. All right, well, that's also. It's not that crazy. It's not that wild. It's all good. Import from file. So we have the calendar agent. That's probably the most important one and the most best. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. So, network calendar agent. Easy. Man, bam, it saves. Miles beyond make.com, is it not? Update event, delete event, get event, create event. Yeah, that is what we're gonna do. Right? Alright, and the last one, we import that from the file, the email agent. Yeah, the emails, that's gonna be necessary. Yep. Labels. Network email agent. It's so fun and easy. Super easy. Alright, so we have the contact, we have this one, we have that one, we have that one. And that is the assistant agent where we can just voice it, right? And we can have multiple triggers. That is pretty decent. So what do we have here? Well, that's the WhatsApp agent, right? So that's like when they send the message, all right, okay, now I'm starting to understand this. This is when they send the message to the WhatsApp. So this is part of the product, right? Tool, executive agent, webhook. Yeah, I think, yeah. Knowledge base lookup, yeah. Does the other one have a knowledge? Of course he does. Does he not? Yeah, Windows buffer memory. It does not. It does not. That's interesting. Well, yeah, I guess we just gotta test all of them and see what happens here. Alright, cool. So that is this one. Personal assistant. Gonna take a shower soon. Go boxing. Take care of the time. Personal assistant. Email manager, voice, email, okay, I guess that is the best one. Learning how to make decisions in real time while you're watching. With such a boring voice, but that doesn't matter, does it? Alright, so voice travel agent Jarvis. Yeah, we don't need that Jarvis. We just need the assistant for booking. Alright, and then we have the WhatsApp agent with Notion. It's coming together, man. Now that you actually import the files and start building, it's not that hard. It's easy. It's absolutely easy. Totally simple. Super easy. A piece of work. A cake in the park. Right? Meeting to proposal agent. That seems to be what I need.
Hey there. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a no-code AI agent that automatically takes transcripts from sales calls, generates personalized proposals, invoices, and sends it through email to the client. This agent will notify you through Slack once the proposal is ready, so you can make any adjustments if necessary. And besides just
Fireflies, right?
the email of the participant. Right. And our agent will then extract all the important information from the transcript, will then notify me through Slack whenever that's ready, so I can check if everything's correct before he actually generates for short clips suitable. Right, the meeting agent would make creates a personalized proposal, right, based on the info it extracted, and generates the personalized proposal through Google Docs. Right, that's why we use Make.com, because Make.com has a native integration with Google Docs. Again, I'll show you this in a second, how to set this up. And then we have the Generate Stripe invoice tool. Same thing, we use Make.com as they have a native integration with.
Okay. So what does that one do? Because we can trigger relevance through an API call, right? So we can have make, but I do think that there's something here. Alright, well. Alright, so, alright. Sub agent MCP, that's the JSON, that's the Airtable database. Okay, merci. That's what I say as well. Thank you and merci. 1, 2, 3. I love it already. That's so simple. N8N is so easy. Everybody says it's so hard. I haven't built anything and I'm just jumping the gun with my judgment. But it's so easy. It's so easy. Right? The belief comes first and answers come second. Ben AI main lead agent. And we are importing from the file with MCP. Oh, hey, yeah, oh, hey. Yeah, yeah, we saved that. Yeah, he's got MCP already. He got super bass. My goodness, that's super. Alright, so we import that and then we go take a shower and go sports, sub-agent CRM. Yeah, these are the tools that we're gonna need and then we build all of them. Ben AI, CRM, sub-agent. Easy. Update contact, list contacts. Very good. And here we do import from file. The calendar, yahoo. Delete event. Out of whack, this thing here. What's going on? Alright. Ben AI calendar sub-agent. Alright, so that's it. And now we go sports.